We say about YouTube channel. King, how much people subscribe to the YouTube channel? What you mean by yes? Anybody want cat to Canada? Make me know. I'll be a labor right cat. Me have. Be a labor right cat. They know better than that for be PNP. You mad? Be a labor right cat. Me have. Any ear in the cat or is shaved. Only you hear one thing, but if any ear in the cat if it's shaved.
Ginger
Only you.
Ginger for feed woman and pitney.
Ginger, I say I know me ever customer no want feed him already. He bring in woman and pitney petal. 5 pitney. Well, I don't know. We want to put him out until me shot. King said 27 subscribes so far. Guys, 200 over here. Go over to my YouTube channel, Politics and More with MunchieB, and subscribe. Starting from November 1st, I will not be going live on TikTok. That is when the trial will start. And if you don't want to hear about the trial, add the link in your bio. If you add the link in my bio, tell me if you do that. King said we need to change the name. Change the name to what, King? Where you want me to change the name to? Type and tell me.
So what do you want me to do? Let the people disrupt the live.
Yeah, man, let them become more and tell them about my YouTube channel.
Man, the laborers kick off and the laborers I call for me block them.
Yeah, man, but I love them. I love the comrade them. I not block them.
We mute them.
MunchieB, Politics and More. So that me have Politics and More with MunchieB. So take out the with MunchieB, Politics and More. So take out the with MunchieB and More. You can't bother with you, no, King. Look here, you just go tell me how to target over here so if you want something to do. And yes, Orlando, me I promote the page until November 1st. And when the trial started on November 1st, me no want nobody ask me over TikTok about no trial. Because I'm not coming over here. Me I go just go live over YouTube and post a little snippets them over TikTok.
Excitement.
Yes, if you don't want to hear about the trial.
My promoting lawyer say, who is a JLP for condemning?
Munchie, YouTube don't know who is that because lots of channels have that first name. A lot of channels have MunchieB. And I mind that, you know.
No, but as they go upon it, then I see your face.
That me I say. You don't stop criticizing the channel and just go and go subscribe, man. I'm putting at look here. King, put my channel in the group then please and thanks and tell the people if you subscribe to my channel. Because when November 1st come, you can't tell me if you come over here, say no, King, because I'm not coming over here. So you better start promote my channel. Oh, so what my channel name Orlando name Politics and More with MunchieB, so must make it be MunchieB with MunchieB and More. Just stop stressing me out.
No, sir. Politics and more like where I do current affairs and sports and whatever.
When look here, I don't think we change the name when time I don't subscribe, me change the name. When go and go subscribe now. Go and somebody name MunchieB already. So I never want to name it MunchieB because there's a MunchieB over you, or there's a MunchieB from America which is very popular. Because me try to name it MunchieB, after that MunchieB there come up. There's a MunchieB in America, you know, very popular. They on one podcast. So that's why I never put my one. So but anyway, 228 over here, Politics and More with MunchieB. Go over YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Miss Davis say, I went a conference, peeps. November, Wagen Petal, November 24.
Yeah, always November month. So you don't know, I said the rest from my Portland today.
I'm going to do it because every night those bands say I make be a nice and I'm nice and alone. I'm going to do it quick.
The rest from my Portland town today, my love, with entire little tired PNP people there. One bag of tired PNP there.
Love me lock up every door tight. Man can't hear me now. Yes, the last Sunday in the month of November is conference. Once you know there Jamaica, make no way to conference. I don't want to say none of the my TikTok if we not come a conference because nothing supposed to be more important than the conference. Please and thanks. Put no matter how some of us never got conference before. Make this be on the first conference. Make this be on the first conference. Let us come out and support Andrew Michael wholeness. Because you see, oh, thank you, Scotty. Because you see how the enemy encamp around if you eat up in flesh. So I don't want to excuse from about I got conference before. I mean come back only people more here so they now come a conference and the foreigner then can understand. I would have more prefer them come vote than conference.
MunchieB, conference I got big enough. You're going
Of
to
course.
see labor like sand on the seashore.
Of course. If you can't get to
Conference
come
of a big man.
conference out there foreign, me understand.
has
But
to be
once
a
you live in
conference to
Jamaica,
talk about.
conference.
Because
Conference,
it's
all a conference in a no green shirt. All
conference I got big.
Yeah. So look here, politics and sports. Politics. What is again? Politics of J. Whatever you want it. Oh, I know him this. Let me say how this. Oh, I know him. Go over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTube channel me I promote tonight. Every night me come here, you know want me to talk for hours about politics and whatever. And one little thing you're supposed to do. Go subscribe to my channel and you not subscribe. King, please tell me when I told you that 18 people subscribe. Look, I told you that 18 people over here. When we reach 218, we can talk something else. What going over foreign there, Dazzle?
I tell you, say, it was come a Port Antonio and I turned today with the two little tired face PNP them. Nobody knew. No.
Where say pandemonium in the town?
Yes, my love.
The orange shirt like Sana C.
Come on.
Where you say? PNP turn up in a Port Antonio today?
If I did go come down bank to bank today for
Bank to bank. Lord Jesus.
Me not see nobody there.
Jesus, me not support them people. I don't fool.
Me I tell you, then appear all face them, you know, cause you know, say them, they stalwart them, and the shaka
the Michael Manley PNP them.
The man have no shame.
That is strength. Good night. I will wake you put your bed. Go over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Politics and more with MunchieB. Me soon change the name, but if you know what I name the way I work with.
Can you imagine MunchieB? Shaka Fame did it today, you know?
Eh?
Shaka Fame.
He did it?
Yeah. Me say, but this man, he have no shame me.
Oh, Jesus. When you say he was there with the crew?
He was there with the crew.
Oh, Jesus.
Orange shirt.
Oh, no. Look like you don't want to get in a Markie bad book.
Yeah.
Like you don't want to get in a Markie bad book at all. So he make sure say he present himself in a Port Antonio today.
Yeah.
So when they come in a Port Antonio condo?
No, just meet and greet. I pop themselves. That's basically
and come out with the numbers. Thank you, Annie.
I don't know what for people. You know see it on CVM TV, MunchieB.
Me no watch CVM. Me no watch TVJ. Me no watch TV at all. One time I turn on my TV, I would tell me I watch 90 Day Fiancé, Sister Wife, and football. Or if one series, if I see one series on TikTok where me love, me binge watch it. That's it. Me don't even have TV in my house because I don't watch TV.
Him saying come for elevate. Him come for elevate the people them. Him come for elevate the people them and at East Portland and to address them concerns. Me say, oh.
Elevate them to what?
Me don't know, you know.
So, me not, look here, first of all, the race is not for the swift. No, on TikTok, King. When me I go through TikTok at daytime, we see some, you don't know, so them post movie and series and stuff on TikTok. You never know that, that's all. You never go to your TikTok yet and see show.
Yeah, man.
I know the entire show, like one little piece, one little 10 minutes, or one little 8 minutes, or 4 minutes. But what you know, they go in the comment section and people will ask, which show is this? Which show is this? And then me look for it in my app and watch it. Because I have a fire stick. Yeah. See, Elena said, of course, all the movie, every one of the series they want to watch up on TikTok, me find them. Me no bother with local TV, my love. Not at all. Done with it. When me feel bored, me go watch a series. When me when I know politics, a sports. When I know sports, a series. But back to e-sport. And what you say? So I don't never see P Diddy around there.
No, we don't see P Diddy yet.
Okay, me here send it around there.
Me not see him.
Oh. That person here on YouTube, WB.4DS. Please to text me in my inbox and identify yourself. You know, go build up yourself by your chat, my content and not share with me and build my platform to, you know. Spread the word, King. I make WB.4DS apostrophe. No say me I look for him or her. Tell yourself he send me a message in my box so he can hurry up on my YouTube channel and make sure so me can make me reach up to the standard when me supposed today. So me can share the content between me and him. Me don't mind sharing, but he's supposed to bring up my content too. Oh, see me? I'm here. Then WD. They are all long, you know, so me content want fix up me YouTube channel want promote. So King, you never tell him so me YouTube channel want promote. You have to go down. Your Shara said, I thought it was your channel. What if people think it was my channel? What if people think it was my channel, King? Because when people text me and say, Munchie, somebody put your content on YouTube, me not pay them no mind. Come here and say, I make up story. Me nah looking. And when my family from overseas text me and say, MunchieB, you know, MunchieB, when say that on YouTube, me say, no, me not gone on it yet. And she said, yeah, man, me see your content on YouTube and you get views. Me say, sure? And me go look.
So it wasn't you?
No, that's you, and me. You're the person said, then tell Petal don't tell me nothing. And Petal, am I right, you know?
Me never know, so I know you. I know, well, me subscribe right to the wrong something. So
you Petal on the right hand, my love. If I not
you remember the night when you come on and say you're going to reactivate your YouTube channel? Then after that, we start see the videos them on TikTok on the YouTube channel.
Me say, I know me. I don't even know who the person said and reach out to me, but me no answer. Could be true, because I no read message because the amount of people who message me, you. The amount of people who message me, them bag a complain. I don't realize the more me listen to the messaging from the labor right them, and the more me get upset and cuss me party. So me change my tactics now, Dazzle. Me no want to hear nothing. Me no want to hear nothing. They're too negative.
I know.
Yeah, when me look at when me open one message, it mash up my entire day, Dazzle. They're too negative. Every time Munchie hardly Shaga losing seat because Val up here at work and Val have money. Me can't take it, Dazzle.
Me
can't take the negativity. They never can text me with good news yet. That channel that
so them,
monetized, check. We said 2 grand, the channel monetized already? We said 2 grand, the channel monetized or what? Come in understand, talk to me. It monetized already? King, talk to 2 grand for me and fellow who are going with the channel. It's not monetized? Okay. So how do you monetize the channel? Me don't know. Come in, go on YouTube because people are saying, Munchie, go on YouTube. Come do this for fun. Me do this for fun, but me people, the supporter, them tell me, say, no, you need to go on YouTube and do yourself. Better we not hear you, and we want to know what go on with my channel. But if you want to join the box, and me, him 2 grand never come in the box yet. Never. Me add him and see if more come tell me my channel I go. Where am I go start out? He said he to promote the party, which is good, because more people to promote the party. But we
hear me now?
Message box, Dazzle.
Yes, Petal.
The labor rights supporter them, because some of them get very nervous, because you see the way they see how the IC tear down the party, Dazzle.
Mm-hmm.
The way they say Mark Golden every day and make the news, I'm not gonna be all right. 2 grand. Him call me later. Call me after the program done. Send Petal, please to call me on a 3-way with 2 grand. Because the person say you know them who want to reach out to you already. Because the person knows say you know me and the person knows say you're my right hand. So call me on a 3-way tomorrow.
Me no message from 2 grand.
Eh?
Me no message from that person.
Or that the person say they reach out to you and tell you say they must put you on YouTube.
If me and them are not friendly. Me and them are not friendly going on like one spam something.
Me not know. The person have only different name. And then so we can't discuss it here so the person will call me after it done. But Dazzle, when me what me message me tell you something. Me the labor right, I don't know, every labor right strong like we know, Dazzle. Some labor right
they are fancy
some
that
labor right
they're not optimistic.
So me I tell you, he say I know me, a Philippine.
Or Philippine reach out to. No, me don't know Philippine 2 grand. Philippine don't know me, and me don't know Philippine. Me and Philippine only talk on YouTube. She had never met me before. I've never seen Philippine face before. I don't know where she live. I don't know where she work. I don't know nothing about her. If it's Petal, yes. Philippine, no. She don't know me. The labor right them, I don't like me and you and Petal and King. When they see how Mark Golden go on in the media, and they see how TVJ promote PNP, and they see how IC tear down the party, Dazzle, they get nervous. So then we text me, I said, boy, I want you with nervous, why the party now come out, why the party now defend itself. And we talk, and then the next day they come and so me can't take the negativity. Labor right, you don't need to relax to yourself.
So, yeah, man, I read and try to contribute to whatever negative out there you try to counteract.
Exactly.
And tell people, say, to read and understand and listen for themselves. Yeah, you can't. I take what people are saying.
We don't have nothing to be ashamed of because Andrew Owens do nothing wrong. The man no break no law. The man no do nothing wrong. There is no evidence of Andrew Owens illicit enriched himself. So when you see PNP, I jump up and I galang with themselves, we don't need to get frightened, and not talk about the party again. And not active, nervous.
Me say,
no, somebody can't step to me, no, that's all they afraid of me like puss.
You want to see Mr. V.
I run them with too because you me know and knowledge of power. Me just make all when them talk about Andrew Olness a thief. Me say where Andrew Olness thief. What Andrew Olness Steve?
If him a thief and do so much work, me don't like see if he in a thief.
Exactly, better.
Today, me don't know how Mr. Vegas, me don't know how Mr. MunchieB girl come here and live. Me assume say injustice I look for one labor and live. Me end up in a box. Me dear, when myself and a cuss and a carry on after Mr. Vegas go over there crowd start go over there.
They say if you take me off, it not take me off.
And Mr. Vegas over there with him for all long, and them a go back over and the one Hugh Twin Sal, Hugh Richards and Hugh Blair. Them a talk about say Finsack, then Uncle then Vegas whip out them a true cold water upon the whole thing. Even though Greg Christie talk it and say them the one day we set up them company go get them mix up and get sweetheart.
Sydney Blake over there too.
Ask Dirty Sydney over there, and over there go. Which labor that go over there, sir? And then Mr. Vegas sit over there angling himself, and then me hear the one you Richards, but the one she can come and talk about Mr. Vegas sit over them live and like him angry himself and beat them. So I guess this was the opportunity now he said them a beat Mr. Vegas. And Mr. Vegas they depend there with them for hours, you know. And then in the after 7 or 8 o'clock, the one you just get disrespectful and can tell man boy not no sense. And when him talk and emphasize, and you know some Vegas just taking excuse himself and tell him plenty of times say him not be disrespectful, make them reason out the facts. Rotted all the dogs.
They don't like that, you know, they don't like facts.
No,
anything that drop facts can come ready. It come like a bad word you tell them.
The DAS article. Now when me
why? How this?
You know when me know. Wait, hold on. Hey,
hold on, Petal. How this?
I mean, man. I want you to afraid.
I'm thinking of the PNP Sydney Blake.
Yes, how you mean? That means your man, yes.
You come outside farm work, yeah? You come outside farm work, yeah?
You depend on farm work, man. You never go on farm work. Go on low skill work.
That's a working a skill.
That grade, 2 grade above farm work.
2 grade above.
Factory. Factory work, we not got a field, run machine.
So you couldn't get one high skill job?
No, I'm not a citizen.
No, they get anybody work. Citizen or no citizen. Anybody any work.
A low skill, me depend, man. Me not they want a high skill.
So you done?
No, man. So done. Not done.
Then machine run all year round. You have to work all year round?
No, man.
I said 10 minutes to 4. And 10 minutes to 4 go a long time. You see time? 12:30.
Yes, man. Back to where we are saying now. Where me I say about things.
But see, why you like follow up with life? Why you like follow up with life them?
I don't pretend well under. You just tell Liberate about PNP life said we, so I don't know we alone. Liberate come over PNP life, you know. And you come over like you come over PNP life too.
Sydney Blake, good night.
Yeah, man, me answer you, you know.
What? Me don't want to start up with you first. You
want to tell me about Finsack. You want to say about Finsack. Make you say about
Finsack, yeah. Me I say, hear the tips now, because I break me the pan and me I going back, but me get a break, so me I scroll through and me see you. Hear me now about Finsack when me I say now. All of the talking was go on and talking was go on. But me, just report, but me not just release the report. And that's the problem, you know. Because look here now. Alright, Omar Davis come already and I say tired of it, man. Come out with the report, man. Omar Davis not dead, you know. I was the finance minister and he said come out with the report. One minute just release the report, you know. And that's one of the thing, you know.
Play up in eye and do a kind of same thing before we're dead. So no worry, when we're not dead, we know in
Sydney kind of wicked.
No, well, me not say more dead, you know. No, so me say,
me start no one. No time for because God no like ugly, my butter before in dead.
But when me I say, alright. Then when you come with the report, alright, all the shot take 150 million. Jamaican dollar, taxpayer dollar. You don't come with the report and that cause the problem, you know?
No, Sydney.
The only thing we are casting problem is the fact that and as we speak, 90% of the PNP top wigs and top analysts them living in Finsack houses and benefits.
And we are saying the same thing about JLP. And we are saying the same thing about
JLP. JLP them benefits from Finsack.
All right. No. We are saying the same thing about JLP. So come
Finsack happened under the PNP and Omar Davis. So JLP benefit. If anything,
look here, man.
If anything,
come with the facts, man.
Sydney, if anything, JLP suffer. JLP businesses were suffered and targeted and went under because of the passionate about Noel James Patterson.
And just because English are not active in a parliament anymore, or if that report would be tabled long time.
I'm alone a bit. I know him a bit. Somebody else can't do it, you know. I know this. Somebody else can't do it because they say they have it, you know. They say they have it, yeah?
Different from Finsack because me no come with a Finsack story because I never born a Finsack time, so me no well vast.
Oh, you're not
Munchie, I'll be a business man of this labor right now.
Me know it. And that's what I did. I'll tell you something sick.
Well, I don't know.
When you're on PNP platform, derogatory. When you're on PNP platform, Sydney, because Sydney members, you're not teeth in your head, you know, your teeth, every teeth in your head missing and rotten out. And when you're on PNP platform, I said the most derogatory thing.
Then you know about second smile. You can't get second smile.
Too much
and
you can't talk one time.
You say Sydney,
the Minister of Health is giving away false.
Listen me, man. Listen me.
Yes.
Sydney.
Listen me, no, man. Listen me, man. Me no want no fault. Me no want no free teeth. Listen me up. Listen me.
Social media, you need to have some property in your mouth.
Prosperity, we say. It's a part of prosperity.
No, me no want that. Listen me now.
Sydney, the most problem when you get on social media and you only having one front teeth. Only one.
That don't work on the prosperity.
You don't have no proper house. You don't have no proper and malnutrition and sports problem on social media. You need to go sort out yourself, skin and come off of social media and go get some proper food. You want some vegetable, your skin and bone, and your naughty gumba. Go and get your teeth fixed, please. You don't have no house, you don't have no land, you don't have no car, you don't have no proper teeth in your mouth. Come on, of course. Sydney, turn on the camera. Sydney, turn on the camera. Make that look your front. Sydney, I will mute Sydney. Jesus Christ. I don't mute Sydney for man. I don't mute Sydney for my platform, man. Sydney, unmute him.
Mute yourself. I'm not mute him.
Sydney, mute yourself,
I know me.
Sydney, unmute your mic and turn on the camera. Make that. I doesn't see your front teeth. Ah, Jesus. Sydney gone freeze.
I'm not kissing me no one.
You want to see because you can't cause on a class labor right so you not stay good. Nothing can go so.
Stay good. Me stay good. That's strong and too strong. The dentist tell me saying can't pull them because I don't want my nerves mash up. Then too strong. Because they have
$500,000.
More from your sangwe, me have $500,000. Hello, I can't have media right now. So what could have stopped me from fix my teeth? Me can't have media right now.
If you're in Canada,
what could have stopped me?
Because you're PNP, so PNP not really business.
No, man.
Boom, special.
Hey, girl. Hello. I can't have media work. What could have stopped me from fix my teeth?
Canada we don't see no evidence of that.
Me rasta.
Canada yet.
Oi, 3 months ago me come from 4 months ago me come from America. I'm in Canada you know with 2 places travel. America and Canada.
And you can't find a dentist to fix them out?
No, I strong me teeth. It's too strong to take out the rest of them take out them too strong.
You can't dentist
you want to mash up my nerves?
You want
to mash up my nerves?
And I
Me know how much
Sydney, have to come out.
Sydney, look up your TikTok platform right now.
Ladies, blessed morning, Munchie. That's
me know
all.
how much up my mouth with
Nigga, one time,
Let me
Yeah,
ask you
watch
one
my
question. Let me
yourself.
come Chromas. Sydney, look up
Look
your
come like
TikTok
a-
platform. You go see you.
like
Me
a
go see
bee's eye.
you in Canada
Hello.
now.
Me happy and me have my money.
Sydney, answer
But
the
me not short of
question.
that.
That's
500,000
why you
money
can't
on.
be a laborite, you know.
Sydney,
Cause
if
one
me
thing
go
with
on your
laborite,
platform.
That have
we
me fix
take
me
pride
teeth,
in
my youth.
ourselves.
Nah,
Any
Jesus, you
country
go take
man
on
have me fix
Sydney.
me teeth. That where you come from, boy, you buy your.
500,000 money.
That me fix me mouth. Me a talk about.
Sydney,
Out.
Sydney, Sydney,
That me fix me mouth.
Sydney,
About the
You
rest
should
of
have,
the
you
teeth,
should
they
have
can
fixed
take
them out
out
long time.
and do that. After me
Sydney,
not kiss me, you batty man.
Yeah,
You
what
both from the human them talk to me. You not talk to me. Where you come from?
Sydney, Sydney.
Lord Jesus, I don't look here. If you don't have any questions to ask Sydney,
yo, big
ask him
man.
quick
Yo,
because
big
when
man, can't come and
HR
style
group
labor
up
right now.
here,
Yo,
No, but
Sydney have
I'm
to
try
come
to tell
down.
me for.
you can't
If
go
you
to
have any questions to ask him now because when
Me, I
group
tell you, you
up,
know.
have to come down.
Stand there. Peter, mo ask
Come on.
man. I some
Ask him
people
quick
more.
because Guru got tear up and run him down.
Munchie, me ask man one question.
Ask him.
Alright, ask him.
Be a rock man. Guru can't tear me up.
One PNP,
Alright.
listen now. What I know PNP? Well, listen, why I answer that question here? Why all the while when I go to a foreign country, when I go to America, Canada, England, when I go to Cuba, the place there. One of capitalist countries, so.
And Russia.
Russia. And North Korea. Listen, I forgot.
Too much on no attack one time, you know.
Ask you a question, so why not love
Because-
capitalist countries, so?
Listen to
you
the
know, have no
question,
sense.
Sydney. Listen to the question.
They listen me, no, me answering, but him not give me no time to talk. America himself deal with Cuba and Russia.
What?
Them a trading partner. You never know that.
What you talk about?
America and Russia are trading partner.
Which part?
Who
America or
asked you
Russia,
that?
friend idiot.
Answer
You
the
never know
question
that.
the man asked you.
You never know that.
Yeah, answer the
So,
question.
you believe in a
Answer
Answer the question.
You believe in
America-
a
if America and
socialism. So
Russia-
answer the question. The
Then
question.
well, if America and Russia are trading partner, who is me if you don't
Sydney,
want
you don't
America?
believe in a socialism. You don't believe in a socialism and communism. Answer the question.
You know, me answer, but you
You
don't know no
love,
sense.
you love America, you love Canada.
Then
Cuba,
what- then-
you go for Cuba. Why not go Cuba? Why not skip over Cuba for?
When them a trading partner,
We not ask you that. We
Well,
not
ask
ask
them
you
about
that.
the
if them are the big, if them a big company and them a trade, but who is me enough
We're
to
not
want
talking about trading. We're not talking about trading.
Ah,
You
why?
can't
We're
talk about
talking
trading.
about living. We're talking about living.
better on that.
Why not go
Come
live?
better on
Why
that.
not go live at Cuba and
Come
Russia
better on that. Me not live over here.
and China?
I work, me work.
Chromas, wait there. Sydney.
Anyhow, me not comfortable about that. Talk about
Sydney.
what and you know.
Sydney.
Thing them me deal with. Me not deal with tracing.
We're not
Sydney.
tracing. Answer the question. We ask a
Me
question.
answer
Answer the
you.
question.
Me answer you. But you can't
Ask
check
why you
out.
don't live.
You
Me
can't
talk
check out.
about trading. Me ask why you don't live there. All you answer my question why you don't live there.
Because me born at Jamaica when I live there. For.
Yeah, man.
My man never said a God
Policies
Cuba,
come here,
Cuba,
listen,
Cuba.
Brigadista.
Talk about what your prime minister want put the IC where them build up a court. Finna.
A bun, we want bun it now.
Well, I know. Munchie, you see the platform where him depend since evening. Him comrade friend I tell him over there to they say, oi, them a chew that out. Andrew now get in trouble. Him comrade friend over there tell him said them a chew that the case there not gonna away. Now that him tell him over there today. You know what answer?
We don't want to talk about nothing about Andrew Holness.
I try to invite like I mean, not tolerance is PNP. I'm not chatting PNP for life, you know. But I tell you that, I'm not tolerance to them.
Sydney Blake don't have the permission.
Same thing, Chromas.
Sydney Blake don't have the permission to call Andrew name and I'm pick out
Too much you want to chat to him still.
kid, gumba mouth.
Coming back to PNP, brother.
Sydney Blake don't have the permission to call Andrew Dr. Andrew, and Sydney Blake is a nobody. Sydney Blake is a scum of the earth and a beggy, live pan eye tap and to mouth beggy PNP boy. He not supposed to call Andrew when he says, so we not discuss nothing with him. Sydney Blake must go and go meet his slave master, leader. We put chain around their neck. and his slave master were having him asset hidden away in a foreign trust. We not trust Jamaica people. We don't want
Sydney no make sense, man. Sydney
we
no
don't
the
talk about
accent.
Andrew Holness with Sydney. Sydney for go and go fixing teeth. When he fixing teeth, he can't call Andrew name in our mouth.
They have 500,000 for fixing teeth.
Yeah. You want to collect some money to fix your teeth, and if you go fix your teeth, you can't call Andrew name in your mouth. Go fix your teeth. You don't understand how to discuss now when it comes to Andrew Wallace. Stay in your lane.
Yo, the man this slaver right the wickedest way when he over the next platform, them in a film platform.
When he over in platform, he talk the most derogatory thing about you see all me. He talk the most thing about me never look panic. I Sydney, don't you know someone who there on the platform I talk about maybe no business we don't know. Cause when me go for rub on you know Sydney, me rub out half every skin off of nobody. Me no drop catch. So when you know on the platform I talk about me say waste of time.
Go ahead, Peter.
Oh, Sydney, I want to ask Sydney if he really thinks that 500,000 Jamaican dollar and money. Sydney, my grandbaby born what day, Sydney. And my grandbaby have over $2 million and in a reach 6 months yet. So Sydney, oh you have to depend here and get up every day and cost people for PNP and you don't even have $1 million?
Yeah, man. And that cost the rich white man. We already rich.
What happened?
This is Sydney, our slave.
And me them over
I own mute Sydney. You love mute your mic and you tell them about we mute you. Our slave Sydney, unmute your mic. Better how am I mute? How much? What my next moderator there? How am I mute, sir?
Me no know how no mute, me know me a mute.
Oh, slave Sydney. Answer the question the petal just said.
If you start this me no can sell yourself, you know. Don't
Me
try
sell
this me no
myself
cause you
to
sell
who?
yourself a back road, you know.
Me? Back
So don't try this me, you know.
lockdown. Sydney.
I left the man them left you them no want you call your practice done out in a girl.
Sydney.
You don't know
Since
what
Jamaica never
try this
party
me get
coming
this
out government
hard this way.
backward lockdown, my love.
Yeah, but you
somewhere
work me
else.
back. You work me
Jamaica
back.
never party redundant back road.
You work me
From
back.
Jamaica's boldness.
But man, Bumbuckler live with disrespect, man. Okay, we come to talk
Hey,
about
Munchie,
So we
delete
are
them,
from-
delete that was fuck. Yeah, man. Take my file line now.
Yeah, man.
Sydney,
I
you ain't have no teeth in your mouth.
I come style, man. I come style, man.
Hey, you can't come and live right there by this nobody. Delete him,
You know the man practice. You know the man personal. You know the man personal. Nobody know the personal. Go
Sydney,
find
you know
yourself.
why Sydney, me supposed to sell myself because me a girl. But what is your excuse while you are sell your big batty wall? I know you're not a teeth in your mouth because your teeth shit up. Your teeth shit up and that's where turn you be a gum. Because of your pussy juice and be a blood in your mouth make you lose your teeth. Your crown, your favor like tiny. You wish you could have got Canada. You live down a river and dump and them from the
flush him like a shit, man. Flush him like a big load of shit, man.
Nobody can have teeth in your
Flush him out
mouth.
of the box, man.
You
Like a
can't
big load of
class
shit,
nobody
man.
can have no teeth in your mouth. You can't class nobody can you don't live no way. You can't class nobody can you drunk crow. You can't class nobody can
Take
you
my file line, man.
shit.
Moderator, delete him now, man. Delete
You
him.
can't class nobody, you're bright. A back road, your mama go get you. You exactly king, you're young pad. A back road, your mama go get you.
Nobody has to know about the personal, but you come style, woman, with your bright self. Don't hard.
Yeah, you can't make Sydney. Sydney can't cost no now, we?
Sydney can't cut nobody come and miss Sydney on the front teeth in her mouth, you know. Sydney not have no front teeth, and the only reason why Sydney not have front teeth in her mouth and because in teeth them shit up and rotten out. Because girl sit down in her face and a piss in her mouth.
None of PNP girl look nice like the Jamaican Labour Party woman.
You see Sydney if you hide your face and a piss.
But what makes Sydney travel America and Canada and in month stay so?
That's why you are next one. Which America? Sydney not have a passport.
Say the dark America what they are now in that Canada.
Lie.
And you can't fix them out? But I want make PNP no ambition. They have no ambition or nothing about them. But who him too?
Alright, make I go to Ava now. Ava, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Politics and More with MunchieB. Because if I want it with you, Ava 28 as a comrade, you love me live. Every night, me can count on you, Ava, as my #1 supporter as a PNP. As a PNP girl, you really love my life. So I want to tell you that you need to go over to YouTube, Ava, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Politics and More with MunchieB. Alright, Ava? Go and go follow my channel and me damn mute. Moderator, please don't mute Ava. Me don't love mute, you know, but Ava always a come exalt herself, you know. So don't bother mute her.
She try.
She's my #1 supporter. She are easy. Every night. I want me to see no labor right. If I want me to see no labor right, me see easy and me see Ava. Them now left me out now. Me don't know how them a support Mark Golding. Me don't know how Ava in a rightful mind I support Mark Jefferson Golding, who hide the asset in a British country. I don't want to pay tax in a Jamaica, and who put in chain when black people neck. Me don't know Ava, me don't know. Me have to look at Ava sideways like, Ava easy, then kind of shaky, but me work with them. Thank you, Lady P. So guys, what do I want to talk about tonight? Cause on knock me left plank. You know what time we wake up today? Chromas. What are we drop asleep on the live last night to see? What are we?
I'm tired, man. I drop asleep.
Plank, you know what time we wake up today? 12 o'clock. Me nah go to bed no later than 2 o'clock tonight because me I got Kingston tomorrow. And my husband said, anyhow, we ready and me asleep. He might tiptoe to the house and left me. Nah, wake me. Cause this is a job where me have and then you know put me to work. So anyhow tomorrow morning when you ready to go out town and me but me a draw snow and just I go tiptoe and reverse up the car to the yard and me not even I go here.
Munchie, no one ask.
Like to town because I want to go to town with him because me don't hear that. I don't think sometimes I want to go whatever. So because of that, you and Dazzle and Plank and Chromas 2 o'clock under that.
Yeah, but here we more ask tomorrow the 3rd of October, right?
Yeah.
Then they said the IC are go report to Parliament. It's still a go happen that Andrew put the. Oh,
they said they happen because somebody not available. But I lie them I tell Dazzle they were never coming.
I run them around.
They were never coming because they go and let them above the law. They were never coming.
Oh, good really?
Andrew wants to say something, people.
Good night, Andrew Lions.
Yeah, good night. Yes, Munchie, me watch up on YouTube every night. Even since night, watch up on YouTube. When mash down, what the name, Andre? Yeah, watch every night. But, you tell me, special, my you know, want to Jamaica get rid of the PNP altogether and move to the direction like where Singapore move
yeah, man,
like where Lee Kuan Yew do and get rid of one party and get rid of the next party, and now Singapore is a first world country and a one government run Singapore.
Right.
So we can move to that direction too. Get rid of the PNP altogether, completely out of this country, and me will lead the way. Who is with me?
Everybody with you. We want to get rid of PNP and throw them in a mud lake. We want to throw them in a mud lake and get rid of them. Because the People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golding is the worst thing that ever happened to Jamaica drastic. Mark Golding is one of the worst PNP leader PNP has ever seen.
And exactly, and the worst thing that ever happened to the PNP.
Mark Jefferson
worst thing that happened to the PNP are him. And yet the man
fix some law and get rid of them altogether.
Yeah, man, I told. We wish you could have done that.
Fix some law.
We wish you could have get rid of Mark Golding and the PNP out of Jamaica. Destruction of property.
It's a sense of democracy, Andrew. It not go work so because of democracy. The only thing them can do is when we win
Democracy.
election next. When we win election next year, them have to wheel and come again, you know. 'cause
You're drastic.
No, man.
You're drastic,
no
Chromas.
doubt
Hey,
about
Change the
it.
constitution.
be sure
Change the
your PNP
constitution.
dangerous, you know, guys. Be sure your PNP dangerous, you're drastic. Singapore took
Remember say any Siago they have
Michael
a chance to do
Manley
it, you know.
idea and build their country. Siagama, Jesus. We say,
Any Siago they have the chance to do it, no, and never do it.
Jesus.
Me
Hey,
wonder
Right?
if
You could do it.
them, me wonder if them
When you
deliberate.
come
turn things around, you know, guys.
Yeah, you wonder if them deliberate or if them really don't know. Don't.
Listen, when PNP get to turn things around,
you from Singapore, how she come here?
Chromas, Singapore say, Justice said Singapore to
1960, I think that's 63.
Michael man have no idea. Michael, who and whether 6 man come here when they them liberate that point.
Michael Manley, we are talking about democratic socialism.
Piaga time.
You mean the equal use of Michael Manley a madman? That's him say.
Jesus Christ, hey, Drastic.
And
They
he
have
said-
to do the props, you know. Justice said
Singapore
Singapore
take
Michael
18
Manley
years.
idea.
Them not forget them props, them too lie and wicked.
Oh my God.
Singapore take 18 years to do
And
country.
mislead the people who
Equal use of Michael Manley a
do not
madman.
read.
They can't go chat them foolish. That either take it up if you that.
Leakan, you say Michael Manley is a madman.
In a clean
And
clothes.
Justice said Leakan, you take Michael Manley
what happened, you see?
idea.
But when one from you say, how comes the people in PNP have so much criminal in the party? Rape of man, drugs man,
And
Because
Markie man
it's a
too.
in
criminal
a one party. You notice?
PNP is a criminal enterprise.
Right now, a Batman a dominate them party, cause me here said the one where they care down here, so down a Southeast St. Mary with Mr. Dunn, a proper fish by evidence.
That's
Yes,
my
but
next
what would they do? Rape the
go
boy?
on YouTube channel and talk your case over there.
But you don't call her name. She said the man that run against Don.
I remember me have a court case over YouTube for second, you
That's
know.
not call her name, you know.
Me say, they have a man for videos, if they can, me go quotas, me can get the video.
That's you still not call her name. You say the man that run against Don.
I proper fish them in a PNP. They want one whole aquarium.
Go to
a big
Bantan.
one.
But
Right,
remember say,
that
go to
boy
Bantan.
tell
Remember
them-
say,
The man
Richard Curry, you know.
Batman party for ever
remember
since.
say, L.A. Lewis say, Richard Curry, I
you.
want them, you know.
Remember Portia they tell them say we're issuing farm government should go legalize it, you know.
Remember
Remember Portia did say it?
Remember say PNP more liberal, you know, man. Let's just support
Very
them to
liberal.
body, you know.
Very liberal.
So them a party man party for ever since. Not just now.
PNP and the Democratic Party in America are sisters.
Yeah, they support
Very, very
Batman.
liberal.
Remember back in the days,
They
support
believe in a
Satan.
remember back in the days,
very
they wanted to
That
march.
is bad. Them not a
They
moral.
believe in a transgender, turning boys into girls, having 15 gender, boy in a girl bathroom, girl in a boy bathroom. They believe you can change, you can wake up tomorrow morning and say you a chair or you a table, you identify as a grass.
The wife is say the whole of Hollywood and the actor them and the singer them and the musician them support Democrat. The whole of them are sodomite and as theater worship and
They
them
believe
worship.
that is something there.
The whole of them worship
and the Democratic
worship
Party in America have the same ideology.
When I go a public place in America now, one time you would see a little female panador and a little male panador. You know, go like that again.
Not again, no.
Both female and male. Everybody uses the
Yes.
same bathroom now.
And you have afraid to go in a bathroom. You have afraid to use public bathroom in America now.
Then
Yeah,
don't
boy.
finish there.
Especially in the liberal state them
Yes,
plan.
like California them place there.
California and New York,
New York.
Minnesota, Philadelphia, them the state there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Now that is what the PNP want put in place. That is what the PNP party promotes.
Them boy they have a holiday, you know, up here, you know. When they see all of them, you know, then they on bicycle.
Lady P,
Get
you
them
mean by
bad,
that
you
is
know.
not true? I live in America. So, Lady P, you think somebody on the platform live in America too? Where you think America like back in the days? But nobody never know America.
I which part in America she live?
And that me as a Lady P. And then you alone live in America, Lady P. You know, people from the platform here, so live in America, England, everywhere. America, I don't know where again. America, I don't know where again, now, Lady P. Relax.
America mash up, man.
America, no big foreign. America, I want time, not anymore.
Switzerland plays a nice America right now, clean and nice.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you, Chromas. Thank you. When you talk about foreign, you talk about Germany, Switzerland, anywhere in Europe.
Of course.
You don't see everything they are foreign now.
America have their first world country about the rural sets that train them. Their first world country, America have the rural train them. How dirty train them. They have nothing modern. If you have first world country, then the rural set that train them in America.
I don't know Lady P. Lady P, everybody on the platform here don't to comrade Ava 28. Go a foreign already. Foreign I don't know where people are say, oh, foreign is a mystery. Foreign like them at all now.
Go foreign already too. Go travel, go England all about already.
Exactly. Foreign like them at all now, Lady P. And where people are taught the truth. And they were very specific. They say the liberal state. Like New York, California, Minnesota, Philadelphia, them liberal states.
Yeah, no, you have some of them either, them is America heaven, you know. I don't know nowhere else, you know. I don't America, the name enough people run to America.
They weren't talking about all the states.
The long flight for go to Europe more time, some people not too bad. You see me? I don't America does the right here, so America.
We know so down Florida, Ron DeSantis don't want it, then you see them.
No, Florida, no Kingston 21, man. Our things stop at 20. That's what they call Florida. Kingston 21.
Ron DeSantis now play with them, don't they?
Kingston 21, you know, don't got Florida. Call like Jamaica, see, Kingston 21, they call Florida, you know. Our things stop at Kingston 20. And then to the chop, is the type the weather, everything now call on the Kingston 21. I would for Jamaica and pack up down there. See how we.
When them
we're not that far, you know, because we know one of it falls.
And the system, I don't really the country.
Exactly. Don't get me wrong. We're not tear down foreign because we don't want nobody tear down Jamaica.
The system, I don't really the people.
Talk about how the system work.
Yeah.
That's it.
Them come here run go Florida, you know. All of them come here run go Florida across the border, you know. I want thing Ron DeSantis say, me I deport anyone I want to me catch. All who will live in Florida for 5 years and not no papers.
You know, say
I run them off run from there, sir.
Plank, you know, so 5 years we know if election are going to Florida, a Republican will win down there still.
Then
Obama win down there. In Obama time, Obama won Florida twice.
When we see
how Trump turned Florida in a red state, me can't believe, because it wasn't. Democratic
if it's the history, it has got the Republican way most of the time.
But now Florida Trump country, even though one person come from a platform 2 days ago and tell me say Trump say Florida purple now. Me don't know. Me don't see it purple, but they say it purple.
So red and blue come together.
They say Trump are go win, and so but down the ticket the Democrats are go win some things. So we see, because you know election they're very close, guys. Less than a month.
Next month, November.
Yeah, less than a month.
Yeah, the third, you know.
Right.
But if it's America already, allow me not chat American politics. I mean, like the Democrat, them a Republican Party mash up. The Tea Party people they mash up Republican.
Exactly.
But we chat American Party. But if he's ready for a female president, though.
No, they're not.
Because I don't know that all going on. Because I know America, you know. They don't want a woman run them, you know. I tell her that they don't want a woman.
Me not like American politics neither. They don't have no morals. I me not like the idea.
No moral dazzle.
No morals at all. Me not like them politics.
Especially Democrats.
Out of all fairness, Donald Trump not supposed to be a fair run for the president, but according to the law too, and that's why, and that is why I don't like them politics. Yeah.
But this is how I say. I'm going to touch a point. When I look for the article today, when them say, Mark Golden, I went him at 58 in get a Jamaican passport.
What am
So
I
if him is
doing?
when him a 58-year-old, he got a
Yeah.
Jamaican passport.
Yeah.
So all the 58 years of him life, where much travel upon?
The British man.
My British passport. And then he might talk about bring private motion members bill to the parliament, Guru. And then he talk about anti-owners like to come and watch and remove. And but they say he's supposed to go remove himself. Remove
MunchieB on the
himself
point,
from parliament and remove himself from the People's National Party.
MunchieB, we don't know if you hear the argument here. That little argument. I don't know if anybody on the part hear the argument here. We don't know about that little thing about Bolt. Bolt said out one statement about SNL.
And the PNP them a run with that. Me see it too. When Chris Gale and Andrew Holness go down India,
Yeah.
and them must say Bold put out a statement say, what you do with my youth time longer than rope. Me see it. And the PNP them a do it.
Oh, because Chris Gale endorse the Prime Minister longer India.
Right. Because Chris Gale is ambassador India, you know.
Yeah, for real, yeah.
So
It was a cricket that got down the side, man. The man they got down the side, cricket for them favorite.
Imam Marlon Samuel that got down there.
Yeah.
Me see the article where Usain Bolt put up and say, my youth time longer than rope. But them don't know what Usain Bolt has say, but them must say because Andrew and Chris go down India. So them must say Chris Gale, Usain Bolt attack, you know. Usain Bolt never mentioned Chris Gale name.
No, but me hear that. Me just talk about SNL, but it's more true. Like Andrew.
You know what said?
Some SNL said what talk about.
Usain Bolt situation are one topic where me don't talk about because the situation has been. It just very, very.
Yeah, never know if him name neither for real.
The money wasn't in Usain Bolt name.
You see the way out. You see where it go down with the situation with Usain Bolt and SSL and the system and the lady and everything. Me just don't want to talk about it because it is very unfortunate.
True, man.
Yeah,
it is very unfortunate.
There's a normal people lose money.
He not deserve it. He not deserve it.
But me say, if a board done a billionaire already, but me say if the normal people lose their money, you know.
All of them. The situation with them, you know. But SSL is paying back the people and the money. It came in the paper. And what will happen with Usain Bolt is that he will get back his money, the capital where he put in, he will get back that. He's not gonna get back the interest that he would have gotten if the woman did really buy the stocks with his money. Remember, I know the evidence that them put out so far. Usain Bolt money never reaching a SSL, you know, guys. When Usain Bolt, a manager gave the lady the money to invest in her stocks and to buy stocks. The lady never buy no stocks. The lady put it in a separate account and yam it out little by little. So when Usain Bolt and the manager said the money they buy stocks and I grow, there was no money in a SSL. The moment she put it in, and the moment she take it back out and put it in a separate account, with her name alone the pan and she yam it down like chichi. So the only money that Usain Bolt will be getting back, in my opinion,
but this is what I'm saying.
The only money that Usain Bolt will be getting back is the original money where he put in back. So according to Usain Bolt, if the money was invested and the stocks were then telling say he would have get back billion, must have 1.8 billion. He's not gonna get back that. He's gonna get back his original capital.
This is what I'm saying. They never knew that. They never knew that the money was missing, you know. And when SSL
because the woman put it in, she take it out blank.
When SSL catch up on the lady, and she realized that she was going to get in trouble.
Yeah, I know,
she went to Usain Bolt and asked Usain Bolt for help. I saw come now when them check Usain Bolt that have no money in there.
Because the moment when Usain Bolt manager gave her the money, she transferred from the account immediately to a private account where she alone have access to.
Usain Bolt them never know the money missing.
Because she TV it already.
Yeah, she took the money already. And when the
Right.
lady got to Usain Bolt, manager and asked him for to pay back SSL the money that she took. That's how they know.
But
So
you
Usain
remember
Bolt
when them
money
just lock
missing.
her up, oh, she talk about say she not gonna survive, she got dead. It caused this and that. How long she did and she not dead yet? That bitch.
She wicked.
Wicked.
She
Yeah,
wicked. She's a wicked woman.
JP never know when the money missing yet.
Yeah,
So
and that
let me
is what
ask you a
me come
question
to say
drastic.
now.
Me
That
no
is
want
what.
change
Why
the
is
topic in
it?
a plank. But let me ask drastic a question. So PNP never know when cash plus and all in money missing drastic. Drastic you just ban. You never alive doing cash plus under the People's National Party. When
But
much
separate and
people
apart
missing
from
money
that,
got missing and they
SSL
don't
has
get back their
nothing
money.
to do with government. It's an
And so they
investment
pay man.
bank. So that's
But
why
this is
it
what
always puzzle me why politics
them
come
cannot.
in play
But
with this
Politics
SSL no
came into
mash up.
it
SSL.
because Andrew Holness had money in SSL. And I want to tell you Dazzle, a lot of other PNP members have money in the SSL too, you know.
Yeah,
I wonder if you know.
I
SSL no
believe
mash up.
you.
It no mash up.
A
In
lot
a
of
mashup,
other
it's just,
It no
it's
mash up.
just, it's the only.
so drastic. Cash plus has nothing to do with government. And neither is SSL. But on the try to win the
Exactly.
Jamaica Labour Party all the time.
Time. Yeah, that's true. Cash Plus now have nothing to do with
Dunce.
SSL.
Where them dunce?
Me remember when Michael Leachin
PNP, them not bright enough. PNP, them not bright, man. Them not sound
warned the
right
people
enough to
about
them.
Cash Plus and them demonstrate in a town say Michael Leachin fi left them when them a draw out them money out of NCB fi
Exactly.
Cash Plus. I remember like
Exactly.
yesterday.
I'm sure your PNP
The
golden
interest rate taking sweet them, man. The interest rate them not getting sweet them, man.
Yes.
It's a Ponzi scheme that. But you know, you see the SNL thing. It's the PNP them. They want come to SNL for bring like a FinSac and not like FinSac.
It has not that SSL is just an investment company that want
a private investment company. It's a private investment company.
Exactly.
That
It
nothing
has
for the
nothing to do with politics.
So
And that's what we have to
a smoke screen
company.
will come with my PNP them. They want to compare it to FinSac. And that they
And
want
that's
to.
why me think, me personally think, you see the woman when named Donna Scott Motley, Andrew Holness must take her to court as well, because when she call Andrew Holness in line with SSL and the account at NCB, me don't know what the woman imply. And I think Andrew for carry go court because it is so disappointing. Yeah, the woman I say the fact that the account open without money
she
and after that
she had the next one Dazzle. She coming like she gone up on the mark golden like
that woman there evil. That woman there evil.
I see woman the wrong is that the relevance. I see a liar woman there. But we don't see her again. How is she there? She lost.
Yeah,
no man, I know she.
After Donna Scott Matley can't win
nothing. And Donna Scott did one run against Darrell. And Valerie Nita, she run against Darrell already.
But we show your PNP lion with
that woman that PNP woman, she disappeared. No one has seen about she. A liar woman there.
If Andrew Holness, if you send about money come out of Andrew, out of account and go in the Andrew Holness account, would the financial auditor would then bring in? Find the link.
Exactly. That's why me I say you see them PNP people man them wicked enough because when them all sit down and have press conference and I mention SSL associated with the man account and then did well and hear say him the drought him money from out of SSL because in something mature. Me I say them people are not easy man, then just wicked. Me I tell you.
No man, you know them have to say and you didn't know said SNL saying go draw team money. And that them chat.
Yeah.
Before it happened. And then talk that.
Tell them every night, Chroma, they don't have no plan. PNP all
them talk about that, you know. None of them now talk about the 20 million. The 20 million US where the 20 million US where
we must go to Bahamas.
When Markie go to Bahamas, go buy a piece of property over there for put hotel if he lose. When he lose, you know, a Bahamas he go live, you know.
Of course.
A Bahamas he invest in, you know.
But Bahamas is a place you can hide the money, you know.
Me
Wash
go
your money, you know.
Bahamas. Me go Bahamas.
Hey,
I miss Bahamas. Once you can invest your money in a Bahamas, you get status in a Bahamas.
Yeah, but me I say there's one of the places coming like you dance don't got Swiss bank account. That's one of them places where you can the money not question your money neither, you know.
Not talk about that.
guys, listen to this, right? Listen to this. Make we make the comparison. Under the PNP, when DB&G and them in the things in the mix up, no one was held accountable. Under this administration, and you know something with you know the things that victim talk, the man say the bank manager then taking title and take out loan on top of loan what him not know about undated thing, agreements, no signature, just from him, justice at the peace at Spanish Town, him saying even know if we get to them the place there. All kind of people sign off and then take loan against the man house and nobody was held accountable for. Don't Jean pant and crutches a think up in lock up where she there right here now. And this administration, didn't they get FID to go investigate and lock up our nasty cloth?
That would have never happened on the PNP. Never.
Under them, that would have never ever happened. So me can't understand. Me can't make the compare. And you see, Dana Scott Matley, you see, she gotta go meet she halfway.
Me say, man, me get the woman to you see, just because of what she said one day.
Remember the time when she do like she fix upper part, middle finger. Remember that time there? Look here. She know, you know, and then because she want to touch on the people them heartstring, she talk and then she say, and you have like SSL.
Yes, and that part them in a
so much for this country and has lost his money. A bolt, just like what happened to the man when nothing happened, the man say. When him take out the man give him the $1 million loan and he saying that people use the $1 million at like $400 and something thousand and he carry the money and I give the man because I'm my personal banker and I give the man to pay down on his loan. He say every 2 weeks he clear off his loan, he having receipt them and nobody never call in fraud squad. They make the people them strong and get feedstock and then take with their house, then take with people hotel down a Mandeville. Them Mr. gotta go meet them halfway. Sydney contact about Omar Davis still alive, yes, because God go make him purple and shit and him peace and everything I'm gonna near me before he dead.
Trust me, man, then cruel. We really want this things that report here to come to light.
Singer, look here, got your blood clot bed before I put a black under your ear. And that me I right now we are talking about matters of importance. We are talking about people. You know me the pussy wall and say since night, guys. Listen to this. Them attack and them say about oh, if you say something make me get angry now. Them attack and I say about oh, me see them come with people about FinSoc. I make them move on. I must see go one man analyze himself. Isn't that one too many?
Exactly.
Isn't that one too many? Why people supposed to look about do them business and I try to be entrepreneur, have ambition. I want to come and take with them things. Then say the man name is Levy, the man have a mall down a man. It will be interesting to know who own that mall today. Yeah. Them.
At least I can't tell you.
There's a report that come out, you know. A chap said that a different and a report.
At the transcript, I play better. Then let me tell you, you know, hear the man say, then take out when them see them balance of account and then see documents, then take out injunction and bar them from city.
So let me ask you, what's the transcript? Everything that transpired.
Yeah, cause chops and a report that come out. I'm a transcript, yes, Petal.
Yeah.
Yeah, things I've tried. That more detail, more than Eve. That more damaging, more than Eve the report.
Okay.
That more detail. That get more detail. Chops says not a report is a transcript or something like that. Yeah. Chops.
It going hard. Then me going be the nightmare.
Them a come around. But bring out Finsack. Release the report. You think we are doing for phone term? It a go get uploaded. It a go, you know what? It a go be a part of history. It a go be a part of Jamaica's financial history. Pitney a go read about it when they go to school, go do economics. Pitney a go
Yes, thank you, Petal.
go do business.
Exactly, it is.
That's what
Just
do
like how they learn about the IMF and the World Bank and these multilateral banks that help developing countries and stuff like that. It have to be in the economy.
Yeah, man, that's why they come on a transcript farm.
When you buy
That's why they come on a transcript farm. Yeah, that's why they come on a report. Report that something like that write up and whatever. They come on a transcript for that life, for the learning purpose, that history thing. People can study.
Okay. Now I understand.
The next set of books were print. Then the next set of books next set of books were print. It are going to be under the table of contents. Finsack complete one whole section.
That's how Finsack. That's how every book alone now going to name Finsack.
Yeah.
Hey. Serious thing in me laugh, but I want serious meltdown financial crisis in Jamaica, you know.
I
want serious something, you know.
One of the dazzle, I say something there. You know what I'm since night? Over triple. And good over there. Mash up the blood cleat woman, the fake woman there. Fake woman. The fake woman, Angela Brownberg and her fake page.
Look here, we'll come over here since night. Good. She on the first person.
Yo, and me say, good deal with that wicked over triple X. Cause triple X should have good over there, man. Me say, me proud of good is a shame. Mash her up wicked. Cause come and take her and go on. And go to the deal, go there and that reason for us now. My child triplet. I remember PNP, my one give me a PNP. But she over there.
But she don't
come into a back up, go to you know. I say, hey, when I tell you a fake ball, you know. I go like share ball when go to touch her with something, you know. But she have feelings of people.
No feelings of Melissa Silvera.
The woman them man, they have fake account, man. Angela Brownberg, man, please people like we don't know say she have a fake thing that she come on TikTok with, you know. And then she go on triple and on VG, more than she go on VG. They say the awesome when she feels she can't overcome, like she knows that she not come on strong, like on Munch, she not come on our life. Anybody she can lean to PNP like and so they can neutral upon live that she go on.
In the box them, she come on our live, she in the comment section and start run off.
But we know say she. I'm there buck up good in the comment too, and a rubber wicked too, you know. I say good she all the time she like she a ball. Boy, I'm good as what that for. Yeah, man. Good angle herself good since night over there, man. Match up, yo. I'm proud of her.
She me have to give her props because me go over there go see her in a chromas and me tell her say, me say good you come. Me have the first of all me don't even like the triple X.
Yeah, you see it MunchieB.
Yeah,
live with that one.
When we go over there, put your loaded up on the platform. I mean, there was somebody covered night chat and say, take her down or put up put up somebody else. The challenge her.
Yeah, man, go to you never wicked over there, man.
Flex a PNP.
Yeah, man, a PNP, man. You might go like him neutral, but him a PNP.
Okay.
Flex a PNP.
Him a PNP, man, but him a go like him in the about politics. Like, I play naive, like you don't know about politics more than some.
Exactly.
But you know the PNP talking points them though.
Hypocrite self. Hypocrite them.
Him a play naive, but you know the PNP talking points them to come with.
He might have PNP, but everything went up, come right from the PNP table.
Yes.
So the president like the neutral man. Just tell me say you're comrade. Just tell me say you're comrade.
I'm going to rub them out since night, man. I'm proud of her, man. Trust me. And the woman come there last part, I can go like you are
man. Declare yourself and stop going like you're neutral. I two people me not talk to. Them hypocrite people that will pretend to be neutral and the people them who say them now vote. I don't like to talk to them and I don't like to talk to people who pretend to be neutral and them a take side. Me not deal with them.
I don't know
how you feel live in one country and you don't believe
in the comment that you that wicked too, you know. Good I did that the box and I did that wicked in the comment too, you know. Back up good, you know.
I'm confused, man. I'm confused. Them have confusing spirit. Them don't know what they want.
The bloggers them not show them weight goodness. So when you see she come out, she come back them up because I went all to the of Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas over cash. I mean, I know Mr. Vegas walk about too much sometime. Kind of no business paying up on cash.
They should have usher him out long time.
Nah. But Mr.
They usher him out already.
He made the angry himself because when them come and ask him about, if Andrew is guilty of corruption, he asked him, did you read the report? And them come out, but me ask you a question. Him said, no, he is not. And they ready for cuss him and them wow. But the one Hugh Richards him with him like a condescending and me think, so you not have no sense. You don't like the people, but then anytime you not agree with him, you get personal. That little piece of shit, and then the one you blare in, you're this and you're that, and that's then over there. But he never was he over there with them now?
PNP no like facts. As soon as you start tell them the facts, them drift from the point and them confused. Them don't like facts. Them love propaganda.
Them start get personal.
Here we mash them up with, right? Them a come up about Cornwall regional, and he must say basically him go down there and then basically have to go to the hospital and build out a new hospital, and him a go on, caution can go like figures, and him a go on with himself, and a boy shouldn't cost so much, and Chinese places give money and this and that, and him explain. So then him say, look, you had the doctor come out and talk, say, because they must say under JLP no fix nothing. And they must say, but after 18.5 years, the JLP going up power for 4 years, what problem then could have caused so if it just crash the system? And him and them they go back and forth. So him go bring up the fact, say, does he come contact, say, him have to do surgery in a plastic bag.
Better, one thing, I tip my hat to Vegas, because the man knows all in composure still,
Yeah, man.
Composure. So I tip my hat to him. I was in the comments. I
mean, not them patients, them because we only
somebody to talk to.
Dark and
caution. We don't entertain caution, none at all. Just listen to what the boy talk. You can't have a conversation with him.
In draft.
Exactly.
So Vegas drafted the written article, and in drafted the video. So Vegas start play the video now, the recording now where Alfred does. One girl, she come up about, I am a registered nurse and I wrote my board exam, and when I did this,
I heard it.
And you cannot do anything in a plastic bag because how much infection and this, because according to them have every profession can come answer you.
Yeah, man, PNP.
Yes, true.
Vegas said, but this is the fact. This is what the man said. This happened in 2015. So
Riga should ask them, so are you saying that Mr. Man was lying?
No, they didn't ask him that. So then Kashan gone back to 2013 when he improved. So here Cole now. Mr. Cole, one special place they don't have Elfim. You see down there go hot, but them are going to put him in one extra heated.
Are you afraid to talk about some petal?
Yes. Because him coming and him say, Vegas, make I tell you something. When Winston Dawes wanted to run on a JLP ticket, that is what him come say about the PNP. And that Cole say now? Cole say, it is when Winston Dawes wanted to be running a JLP ticket. HR Guru supposed to go over there and hear him. When Winston Dawes wanted to run on a JLP ticket, he made that video. Jesus Christ. At the first, me know that I was a second wicked, but me hear him first and for myself.
So even though there's a video
of Alfred Dawes,
and there's a written in the glean, and there's a picture of Dawes' mouth saying it, Alfred, Cole say is not him?
Him says Winston Dawes. When Winston Dawes wanted to run a JLP ticket and wanted PNP to look bad. And from that, me just say, me take up my
I think you're so terrible.
Me take up my
It's a shame. I never talk about Andrew tell lie about.
Me Cole say, if he ever dreams about vote for liberate him now and wake up. You hear me say?
Nobody no lie like PNP.
Cole say, if he ever dreams say he might vote for liberate him now and wake up. He prefer dead. That the man say. If he ever dreams him about for Labour, him now want to wake up.
I will Labour
That the
right
man
to
say.
him. Call them too.
Mono mind could have get that the dream that so nobody wake up.
Right.
Tonight, if you get that dream.
Mono mind get that dream tonight. That's so
True.
we not have to hear.
True.
Jesus, People's National Party. We can't. So we take bad things and make joke.
And he said convincingly, Vegas. You know, you can't go like him a bad man already. Like, Vegas. Let me tell you something. You see when you come back our platform, you see when you make sure you come with facts. Winston does wanted to run on a JLP ticket. And when he wanted to go on a JLP ticket, that is when he make up that propaganda about the people. Me say blood clamors. No, sir. No.
But I see propaganda the party side now, though. Yeah, I see propaganda want run for the party now, though.
That's coming like when they say the FinTech people, them, when the FinTech people then say, then take their house and sell it. Omar Davis and look on them and tell them in the inquiry say they should have been given the option to buy back their house. And the people then say, then craft up something and say, them and them meet and they had offered them and this and then to them say make them move and go. If them all them get to dictate to them I go pay back 20% on the dollar. But me say you Richard, me say all of them whether they are bad, they are wicked and corrupt. Me say one of the man, you know, one of the man after them take with the man things and the man got testify and everything, you know. The man was ambushed and unalive. The man named Jocelyn, the man will buy out the asset them from them. On the year what happened to the man, they went in to get ready to go deal and talk out all the whole deal go. That the man they are professional diver and him and his friend them are him and him diving crew then go to go dive and he never return. And that happened to the man named Jocelyn will buy out this them, you know.
Yeah, Petal, we hear from Pauline, I can't do it with people, eh? I could
Candy poke your last night and be a piece of sleeping. Jesus
Pauline in the box on the big leg.
Candy come last night. Candy and chromas. Wicked.
No, I'm going to drop asleep with you, man. I drop asleep. That's
why I never back to me never see Pauline before. Pauline, good night.
That's what I want to hear what she say.
Never see her before. I will bring her up a Patal.
I mean, bring her up. Just think Vegas sound like you don't have a clue, but wicked. Actually sound very wicked. And don't run out over here. You get black.
No, she's just not the box.
What happened to Pauline?
Add me up there. Who is this? I think make me take down Pauline, since Pauline just occupies.
Pauline, can you bring her up?
Pauline, why you not talk?
I must mute and she don't know.
I have to make it out. Me can't add you. MunchieB add. I have to make it out. I have to make it out private.
Pauline, take her pressure picture, go on, man.
We can't believe it's a pet. From nowhere at all. Nowhere at all, Petal don't know her from, you know.
Then when I forget to know her. You know, so me have to wake up 3 hour time when the day work tomorrow and I book.
Petal, they work tomorrow?
Yes.
So you're the pan live, though? Petal, you didn't know you didn't know it's a plank still no single?
The MunchieB at 2 o'clock I say I left for 22 minutes left.
28. Petal,
22
we
minutes.
can come out to politics. Come back to politics some more with MunchieB, you know. Did you know that plank is not single?
Me never look him. Why?
You know me ask you if one of my company platform if he did say anything or did hear anything or nothing.
No, me never preem.
Yes, my love, me. You're saying a single and in girlfriend at 25.
Well, MunchieB, want your nurse friend? You get one man for you already?
Don't you know single? Oh, yeah, you exactly. Me and Dazzle matched it up last night. And that's like you are what?
MunchieB, you know, I mix up.
Me and Sparkle Baby. Can you know Sparkle Baby, right? Chromas. She always come for the life. She live in England. You don't know Sparkle Baby? Or Sparkle Diamond. She so come. Pretty woman from England and she's single too. See if not, I say no one. Petal, you don't know Sparkle Diamond.
Yeah, Sparkle.
Yes, man. I was coming.
Yeah, but Sparkle look good. Sparkle look good.
She's single.
I show her ear. Come on the camera and I show her ear what they you know.
Yes, Crow.
Yeah, she look good. She look good for show, man.
Come here, I said to them last night, I'm so nice. Petal, I'm pretty and everything. And then I look no man because they're comfortable and have their money and enjoy everything. So any guy we are coming at their life have to already have what they have established, accomplished, have their money, have their children already, can take vacation and everything. Here comes the one plank. See Sparkle Diamond here? I look to something that tell a lie pan her. Here comes the one plank Petal. Plank say woman at 25 Petal.
Them plank here how much?
Nice, thank you, Petal. Asking.
I know me na my 20s too, man.
No.
Okay. Maybe get Chromas one joke. Chromas.
Plank in the 50s.
Chromas.
You mad?
I'm listening. Yeah, it's on crackers, you know.
Ashrag cuss me off. Ashrag, me and them a go back and forth. Me remember we argue about Finsack or something we argue about. And when Ashrag couldn't have her way with me, Ashrag start cuss me and say, oh, me go over VJ, go look man, and me not catch none. So me tell her, I say, yeah, she right. Because the whole of them they with her and take her, and nobody will gonna condemn all can they with me.
Right. She come on my platform with her nonsense to Petal talk about if you find a man yet. Me have to diss her because me don't miss see Petal look man. You see Petal walk with her pussy on her forehead. You think you can walk in a Petal shoes? Not dear.
Over Joy Brian. Over Joy Brian, they say I'm Petal house. Petal don't live nowhere.
Yes, they say that too.
They say Petal don't live nowhere and fear house empty.
They say at night time the house empty, can't hear me an echo.
Yeah, echo.
but we do a pop though, we do a pop smear. We do a pop smear.
You see them up the plank, they can't say anything about me, and as soon as smoke me mouth and cuss me, they put me up on the platform. So they say
the woman we had shot named Janet Lee.
Oh, is she?
Plank.
Yeah, Janet Lee. Yeah?
Plank, you see, all they can't talk anything they want to talk about me. I'm in a business. And if you rub Janet Lee tomorrow now, you see, Dre Bree shall wake up the next day and put the pan in platform. All they can be, I can't fix some.
First of all, Ashrag look like say, I like grenade them when they use that in a fear mode, then let them go. That's a number one. Ashrag look like say in our fall cup she sleep and she just
Jay Brian and Andrew Stevenson, brother and sister, them are two sisters.
We're gonna go to bed, man.
Yeah, she's gonna look like she'll look like
Jay Brian and Kevin Stevenson are two brothers, them are two sisters.
My brother, sister, cousin boy, good soup.
What?
Fish and everything in one.
What? Them are something though.
Yeah, man, a wife, husband and husband.
Every day.
Somebody send more video to all them a cuss you over something like one film or one PNP girl name and then cuss you and then cuss you and then cuss you. Then cuss Petal, dirty girl, and Petal a suffer. And me say, could you
don't live nowhere.
Petal no live nowhere.
I can't be black. Cause last night Munchie, I must have about 50 of them in mute. And since night, I know quietly, you know, pay me the man. And as they rise up about Andrew and money, and a girl, you know, as they say something, I just mute them. As in, Ashrag, she
one of my auntie from England sent me one video this man. I heard the man come up for the live 4 o'clock. Well concerned, Jerry Bryan put up. I said, auntie, no matter bring preparation, up here, Jerry Bryan don't mind.
So what this a girl here cost me for coming? I don't know who she be.
I don't know what Ashram look like. Say Ashram, you name Ashram white for coming and say, oh Ashram get up on a cuss for no reason, Petal.
Me tell her, sir, she can't. Me tell her, say, yes, she right. Me no find no man. Me go for the go look for man a contour, but me don't find none because she take them, and there's no way me go take them after them going to condemn also that hurt her.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yes, outside.
Me say the woman,
I know it's anytime when the PNP they come up with platform here, we are cuss Mark going on any member of the party. Then about to turn around and cuss back for a member, them they cuss.
True, me I find the Finsack people.
Yes,
that's
that's
the
about
next
them.
thing.
Yes.
And then we have the something now.
Then us, and like we stick to policy and cuss Mark and talk about the government and talk about the Prime Minister do much work and we promote the party. And
We don't listen to them, you know. Yes, you're the one when you and listen to them.
They don't do that, you know. They cuss me out. You know, say, the last time they cuss me, say, how me there with Joshua and Joshua pastor me sleep with, oh Jesus. No, they say, when they say,
We the one caution I say, boy, you're there afraid of sleeping a settee.
But at least you sleep inside. At least, but you see
I do your life, you have come out a door.
they can't
In a snow, in a coolness.
let me show me cousin the video when Caution say me a
I
sleep.
can't ring the bell in the people them house. I can't ring the bell in the people them house.
But that's okay. If
You're Janet Lee, no? Me say, all Munchie, she a tell the people them say, she have to lock off all that because she have to go make breakfast for her husband. And where she get husband from? And who could have married to that?
When me tell my cousin say, they say me a sleep and settee, my cousin did it now. So two normally at night time, me always upon the settee and watch TV till me fall asleep. Because the what I say TV because you many people.
But I know that. Listen to how I'm stupid. Listen to Caution how I'm stupid. You are sleeping in a settee. At least you're the inside. You ever hear Caution inside yet? Every time.
Never.
Every
day Caution in a car.
No, him say the Muncha do you life, you have to come out of door like a veranda, out of door for the step or sitting.
Like pretty down.
Yeah.
I'm going to go out the door like pretty
But you talk, you know, that about pretty down, ugly down. Me I hear when I sit now, I tried this up, I'm a reverse, and I chat some, she drive on one road at Portland, and I want body road and I talk about the vase, them, and I this up and I PNP.
I want back road, one farm road. I don't know what she one. I don't know who she have grown there.
She have to drive on the road, the chromas, because she can't show her the road.
And of course, and a PNP plays and a PNP we say,
you see any house round there, you see she have video.
No, sir.
No dirt road, there's nobody there.
Fixed road.
She can't drive on public road.
More pretty than ugly than that. Ugly than that.
Una she say from popcorn, deeper in the water. She I be a tight share wearing up on TikTok. Right.
You look at she still
I'm gonna watch. I'm running up in a pretty than. I do one live.
Look at she no, cause you just look at her like a senior sin.
Pretty than still have something to cut off. She still have one piece of wood there we need to cut off.
I alone know that better.
Oh, Tala, but she need pretty than ugly than that, but pretty than. But she pretty. Stick like a big load of shit. Boy, man. I should love style people, they say, with a dirty self. And a style of Anne-Marie Vaz and a style of them.
Like chromas. Missy Pretty than and the guy will ever make comedy. The big black fat guy. I'm pretty than I have a red tight suit and one red tank top. Tight up and squeeze up with pony and show. Me say, but Jesus, God, I want to
me and her.
She went in the fall out. Because they used to do TikTok together. She and Cargo.
Me and her.
Cargo show a man still.
Me and her tear one time. Listen up, me and her tear one time on Facebook because she come out there. Claude, Andrew, Oles. And she of course not caring. And I'm just tell her, I say, stop it. Me say stop it, you don't have no right. You don't have no right because apparently she think it cute, but oh yes, yes. And when me back up, me have Thumper at the piece of body where she have, she name it Thumper, right?
Yeah.
So I can do her when she born, then go get Thumper born off.
What they call him, Pule? What they call him again? We have the two.
Hermaphrodite.
Yeah. Move our blood clan go. Move our pussy clan go and suck herself.
Me nah cuss you over your sickness, you know. Me nah cuss you over your sickness, but you see right now, you I put yourself out there for people tell you anything. You say move your nasty terror cloth and go tend to Thumper. I tell her something. I tell her
Go man. Them people can't support Labour still. Them have to go on the PNP side, you know. Because I'm fish and batty people, everything, you know.
I send her in the DSC, man.
They're not welcome in a Labour Party.
Promote everything.
Them are freak, you know, man. Them are freak, you know. Them are the batty bees and the sodomite bees and everything that is bad, you know. But from on that side there. That's not what cabinet. We don't work with them people, eh. No time at all.
Andrew drop down in pants and what we are going to see? What we are going to see when you drop down in pants? What we are going to see when you drop a runner and send her in, you see? You think she answer back to me? And some people go under the comment and write some breeder sitting. She cry cream man. She just stop. But she not answer. She not answer the girl. She not answer the girl anymore. Since when? Sure.
You want to see the road like the speed that road is special. You must do some back road for true. You want the road that you drive on.
You say some back farm road. I don't know what you're
talking about. Public road, Jamaica popcorn in the broke her neck.
I bet you she
has a drive on public road. People could have stolen as a shot freak of the week. Yeah, then drive on main road and town and could have stolen as a shot freak of the week.
When I instigate violence, what a sorry popcorn never do or something.
No, we're not.
Should we go, man? We're not to the level still. That's about them. Should we go, man?
No.
Oh, she should have to style nobody. The fair situation. Should we go inside, man?
She lucky, and her sister did buck her up.
You know what she water down do chromas.
You notice.
Again.
Notice.
Never notice she from man. When they say she have been notice she, you know.
Yeah,
like kind of people, you know.
Never hot yet. Ugly than never hot. Ugly than to fuck when you drop off a bed.
That man poor thought that is a fuck me up off a bed. What if Naya says she a lie about? Says she a lie, says she a transvestite? No man, she is.
Me don't know what about. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you, you see anytime a blogger, you see anytime a blogger or a artist start to talk about Andrew Honest, me mute them and done with them. Me never bother discuss them. Me don't know them fast.
Yes, PNP, we go take back with Portland. I hate the dirty vase, I say. I hate the woman, I say. I hear her.
She don't know the woman, you know?
No.
She don't know the woman. I just views she look. She don't know the woman.
Isaac.
No, man, Isaac represent J Flag. Isaac are going to represent J Flag, but that's a shadow for herself.
You really represent J Flag for
she want Isaac.
Of course.
She want Isaac.
My face. I'm a spokesman to them.
I said to go get a proper beat run a e-sport.
That's why she come out because she in the J Flag crew too. That's why she come out and come chat off her mouth.
Oh, him pass the integrity test.
Hey, what about the integrity? Hey, what about that?
Remember when Dayton did say Craig Oates? After this and polling and whatever, not and Craig Oates did not pass the integrity test.
Him should have been in a parliament and him is a deportee.
Yeah. So that and him couldn't qualify for be justice at the PE. So oh my God, hey, but
me listen to Karen Cross sometime and me hear Karen Cross say him not supposed to. He's not
Speaking of
supposed to
current
He's not.
cross,
He become a convict.
Yeah,
He get
Karen
No,
Cross
deported
said
out of
that
America.
all
What
the,
me ask
all
still?
the,
What me ask still?
all the charge
All
in
of my
America,
convict and but my say him doing time. But doing time, so him alright now. I think
no,
that
but
I'm gonna say.
you're supposed to
Him
get
still a
pardon. You're
convict
supposed to get
America.
pardon. You're supposed to get pardon for them sitting there. And
Yeah.
the thing about it is this though. Them are go try if you say, you know, say, you know, say a back gate in go through and get in and get called to the bar. You know that say a them a PNP
yeah,
bring me, you
that
know,
is that
them
is
making
true.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
declare.
They
Them
do it,
Sometimes
man. They
they
put it
don't
down past PNP.
disrespect.
Cause the whole of them
Yeah,
people control the body. A PNP liar them
Yeah, you know
and
what they're
judge them.
making
Yeah.
though. You know what they're making though. They're making declare upon the something, and then just shut their eye and then put it through. So when the next lawyer what did must he just do one little shoplifting and take up must he sitting in a Walmart America when he come back. And he must say about like I just want probation something get and whatever not, and them tell him say he lied on the thing that he was not charged. And one if a story and then when they make the comparison, them say, oh, the difference is that him did declare that the one that did declare, even though you know twice in they get convicted, you know,
The
serious
drugs.
you know, serve
The drugs.
10 years, you know, and then take him in, but because a connection here, and then just shut them
All
in.
me know say, him a represent J Flag. Me know all me know say FIFA that's disappointed in him. Cause big youth and father, you know.
The big youth and
Yeah.
father.
Them are the big rasta man. Although them are the PM, but them are the break step up a certain way. Them are supposed to begs.
I start apply for the JP out there,
And
and the JP turn him down. The JP council turn him down, you know.
Then they say he can't get a seal.
Then if JP
Right,
comes to turn on I said all the big
he can't the council go
PNP.
court. He can't the council go court or the Supreme Court throughout the case.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a dazzle.
Then all come them allow him to can apply for
Well, at that
candidacy.
one no, because if Craig Oates could not pass it, and Craig Oates him never get a criminal, him not a charge. So if Craig Oates couldn't pass the integrity test,
PNP man, politics man. Not the PNP them man. Politics man.
JP came out and condemn it. Them condemn it.
speaking of current cross, guys,
who condemn it? Who condemn it?
JP.
What,
yeah, they put out one statement, we see it.
JFJ, what about JFJ and civil society?
That the one asked too.
Oh no, you know what the PNP then I say a word, Peter.
Them not PNP them man. NIA, Jamaica for Justice, PNP, Guinea Gag them there.
86, Labour right having less nights. What that means, King? Labour right having less nights. Anybody know what that means? Anybody can explain it to me?
So we not sleep. So Labour have less night. So we not sleep.
Go one side, man. Wrong stop, man.
Then plank. That's what
Look for caution, man. Left a fire so. Left a fire look for caution on one of them. Left fire so, man. Wrong stop.
No sleepless nights.
If we are having less night, we will not sleep. What kind of night she have? Because she not sleep.
But you watch we do. Eh? Why you watch we?
Where current cross?
Yeah, work, man. A night machine like myself, yeah.
Back to current cross, guys. Boy, current cross deal with Mr. Panther. Don't know hear her?
She calling me into our class last night.
Oh, you not listen to her class?
No, me have to listen to it. No, sir.
Come up for the light this morning. Me put it on, I don't know, me fall asleep. I want to wake up 10 o'clock today. Me breakfast and me put it on and me fall asleep again. And I know me don't listen to me. I have the rest to listen to tonight. But also for me here, Karen Cross go with herself last night. And you see the video in a one day, she get 15K. You know, so she knows that was a hit last night.
Yeah. Me I go listen to it.
Listen to it, Dazzle. She really go on. I saw we want the labor right then. To come out and make video put on YouTube. We don't want to show them face so we can put up pictures of what they're gonna want to put up. We need more labor right on YouTube. Karina go on.
That's why all you for the pan the Munchie.
Me over there now that's about me not done something myself, but me go over there before November 1st, before my court case start.
Over the
court case over there.
Since start for the platform, me hear them catch a labor right MP. and they were talking.
Over big grab?
Yeah, me just I when him a come off.
And he over the was in a plank.
When him a come off, me here, I say thank you, Mr. MP. At that
I was on the live too. I was on a classic live. I was on the live.
How was he over there?
Munchie, you know, so me think Big Grabber got retain his seat though.
Boy, they cannot for it again. King fix my business.
Munchie, at them thing that we need for to stop. I like dirty PNP.
But you know what the problem, the only little problem Big Grab have over there, you know, I don't got dirty Waterford.
Then that's a fraction.
Yes.
Yeah, but
I see a problem wherever East Portland. I just told
you. What I say, you see Waterford, you see Waterford, you talk about the dirty artists come from, you know.
Yes, don't dirty
the same part. Yeah.
PNP place. And they don't want nothing for vote. They live in a most deplorable condition down the chromas and in no business. Orange shirt, they say.
The PNP style that man.
Yeah.
Everywhere them man.
All the middle class people in a Big Grab constituency vote for Big Grab. All the middle class vote for Big Grab.
Anyway, Munchie every time now.
Michael Manley, PNP, them way they from back in the days. I just them are the problem.
Me honestly believe him have a retain his seat. And I think that
me put him back on the 50.
PNP, they don't like him. When boy the name, when name.
Anyway, Munchie, I beg you go sleep here at 2 o'clock now. We don't want you go over your time.
Me put man a good idea. What here Scotty say Waterford and Portsmouth. That's why me put Big Grab on the losing list. But since night when me hear the amount of work where Big Grab saying do chromas. And work and things. Me say but Big Grab really go on with himself over there, man.
Yeah, me not think him a go lose his seat. And I remember saying a Munchie out them have mixed feelings about that, you know. PNP no for them now.
His Dan say PNP account 43 seats. So which 43 then count?
Them lucky, but then go and count, no?
They might live that imaginary world, man. Dream them a dream, imaginary world them a live in a man.
He never account 43 seats.
Then can't see government like this or Canada.
That means to say them with they count West. They count Westmoreland, they count Hanover, they count two in a Montego Bay, they count one in a Trelawney, they count 3 let me write down that, wait. Help me count the guy.
Out of the 63 seats, them say them are win 43.
Yes, and if them account, if they sell 43 and petal, them account the 3 in a Westmoreland.
And I lose none.
Them account 2 in a Hanover.
Basically, Munchie, them a take back all of what we take from them. That's what them basically say.
Yeah, man, they count the 3 in a Westmoreland. They count the 2 in a Hanover make 5. They count 2 in a Montego Bay make 7. They count 1 in a Trelawney make 8.
It's a prime minister
in a Saint Anne, them account 1 in a Saint Anne.
Them account Portland tonight too.
In a Saint Elizabeth, them account Flight Green and them account Smalley. That's 11. Them account in a Manchester, them account Hardly that are 12, Road that are 13, Shin that are 14. Mickey, everything in Manchester, 5. What? So they got the whole form, so they got a 15. Then they go to Clarendon, them account Enriquez, and them account Sibley's. Then they go to St. Catherine, them account everything at Portmore. So we not win nothing. We say when them account, we not win nothing, guys. In Kisdan,
look here.
In
order for them to get to 43 no chromas, they have to clean up the West.
Yeah.
29 more, right?
Imagination that man.
They can't win a St. James, so we don't know which part them are.
Kisdan, they say they must sweep. Of course, Kisdan, they have to sweep.
Right now,
they only are going to go with Orius Chang. and Bartlett in a Montego Bay. Then them a get Malawu, them a get Oma, and them a get Ira. Or two them a the same. Based on the 43 we then count Dazzler must that.
Wanna see picture where they have with the 10 of them, where 10 of them are group up and a go on like them are one big group.
They favor ansnerness.
Look on them, just look on them and try to figure out.
They favor bump and face.
But yeah.
What you gonna get
Yeah, when they think good, they never look good.
They, look, you see, me say observe.
And them a count East Rural, them a count West Rural, and them a count Fayeval C.
On if see the picture with them, really we observe a do Jesus.
They say they are dead the next month. Then going to live right like
I pay all the dinosaurs nobody knew.
Them a count Bobby C. Promas, and them a count where the other MPs that sent me name Petal? Dr. Don.
Dr. Don, you must be mad.
Yeah.
When?
And them account St. Thomas and them account Warner Portland. That's the only way them get to 43.
I get them man.
Them better try come out and
them account Montague seat too. Them account Montague seat in St. Mary too.
Montague and Don. Montague and Don. And them account Juliet seat, the two Juliet and Fayeval.
I joke them a make.
So that means it's a big swing to the PNP in a kizzy.
Where's a clean sweep? I feel a clean sweep.
Clean sweep.
Why we
Only thing them are for a man to go be with is Dr. Chang and Bartlett. Nothing more according to them.
I say.
They must shit up themselves election night.
What a week in a real election night. That's how we are going to tell them. What a
last year conference they don't want to see this year that I want to tell them after conference. Next year when I'm doing let's fly the gate. Sorry for them.
What a weeping and wailing matter.
You know some of you say September the 3rd I go be election again.
No, them are determine how much seat Labour right are going.
If them are win 43, oh God, we barely a scripture.
No, them are determined. Them are tell you how much seat we are going.
I never like here when you say so, because that's not possible. Not with the performance of this government.
I personally don't think we're gonna get a landslide. Not for the political climate where they are now. But when I'm confident.
Members of government now win election still, you know. You have to do the party on the ground now. We have to do it as for the party level. Government they really win election.
Exactly, a party. And the party, even though you're some that the party they're on the ground. MP they're on the ground, me see them.
Of course.
So we live on the party levels.
Come as organize themselves.
Yeah, they better. Can we tell you this? We can't do the election for granted.
There are people who vote for councillor when not vote for MP. That may tell you. This is a
election,
government the general election.
We don't take nothing for granted. We have to win this election seat by seat.
Seat by seat.
That's what I see this.
Yes. No granted we don't take this. Seat by seat. We have to win this with Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness win 2016 and 20 for we. We need to help him win this one.
Of course.
Come on, brother.
You're correct. Seat by seat.
Seat by seat.
By parish.
Parish. And MP and cousin are going to get rid of them and get good people.
And come right up.
So all the lazy MP and council we have to get up off of them ass. Right. I tell them.
Even the one them will lose. Them need to go start walking at them constituency.
I'm going to work back with the MP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them need to start walk.
This election is a serious election.
Because in a race, in a competition, somebody have to lose.
Because this election is a serious election. Serious election. This.
Them cannot wait until it gets close to the election. At that time, them are go.
Me tell them plan. That's why somebody MP them knowing that me right now in a plan. Me a person non grata. Like when you see Benjamin Netanyahu who put out statement say the man who run the UN is personal non grata because he don't want him in the country. And me that in the party because when my head chip I'm ready for cuss MP, they're not happy with me. Because
And
they
premises don't come back yet.
don't wait until next year to start walk the ground, Chroma. Start from now.
No, yeah.
Me say what's a good
premise.
thing say.
Andrew,
Me say what's a good thing say. Duet never in the parliament what they when the JLP them come with them foolish. When the PNP them come with them foolishness.
No,
And
she
man,
did that, man.
She stepped up because it was about her husband. You never hear him?
Eh?
The lady said she
what
stepped
me I
up
say?
and go read the thing properly. Mark said she
Andrew still
stepped
there.
up because it was
The
about
Prime Minister
her
still there
husband.
in the same way. And the Prime Minister still there in the same way.
Yes. And look how the Prime Minister make the country proud in our India. Chromers. Oh, we don't talk about that before me left. Look how the Prime Minister make the country
He
proud.
got a warm
Look how the
welcome.
Prime Minister represent.
Yeah, man.
It's a mark
The
when
man a
he
real
put
man, you know, man. Yo, the man I get a standing a vision like any big artist, no.
the man
Man, as a politician.
treatment down in England.
Man a real man, man.
With Chris Gale.
Yeah. And that I kill the PNP them too, man. We know the Chris Gale a show man for a long time still.
Eh.
Mr. When this is the Prime Minister angle himself with dignity and with, remember when time we send Portia go down a China guru and Portia gone on if you go represent the country about government business. Portia down the platform and talk about hand election I whip the fellow.
MunchieB, I love Portia, yeah. You gotta love Portia.
I whip the little fellow and this is my son and I call him and I say come here son.
You know when Portia said me did laugh. Portia said me laugh. So she get an IMF deal in 2 weeks. I never did.
And I do.
Portia lose the election at 2016.
I do
Portia
less
say,
it more.
I know you're hurting and I feel it too.
Now, another thing about you, when the media back up Portia Parliament, I asked about the fire Riverton. And she said, no, Edward light the fire.
He not feel like the fire.
Light it. I never light it.
Another one that's sweet me. And when she said we will find money. When
We
they
have
ask
found
her,
some money.
yeah. And I want the next we will find money.
When I mash up Portia, so man.
Jesus Christ. No, sir, this bad.
Munchie, where Russell them? Where Russell
But the
come
only
talk
people,
to
you know,
Portia
say, me not
himself?
like the only people me not really like are the politician and Portia still.
As much as we there for laugh after our chromas, we like Portia.
Yeah, as a
We know
PNP
that she
politician,
never
she don't want me to have little like this one. But no, like, don't have the rest of them. None of
Yeah,
them.
cause she did have the people them
We
interest
know
at
the
nice, just got them manipulator.
never could be no
Like the
prime
Yeah,
guy
you use
and
her.
like, yeah.
But Portia knows that she get used, but she don't mind because she just choose, she love the party.
Add Maestro. Me can add him.
You can't add it. Guys, a petal add people. Anybody come and then don't get the ad where they ask for blame it from petal.
Listen, but I sleep out more say like when they talk about
Hey,
triple
me
X.
I come out of back.
Long time can't
Let me
be.
go sleep. Me
You retire about him, man.
2 hours.
Portia say, we have found some money.
Yeah, that one they nice bad.
We do less with more.
Portia
When I
should
was
be
about the election, yeah, no? Do I look like a loser?
And the best one that.
Do I look like a loser?
Why
Yeah.
you come here to ask me about if I lose the election? Do I look like a loser to you?
She get a fat ass name.
Portia tragic, man. Portia, boy.
I want me tan cousin.
Be real.
Portia.
It's really related to our train of the little facho. Our MP at Center Baste. West Center Baste. What do you mean? With MP out there again.
Robertson?
The Liberal MP there.
Imam Paul Burke, cousin.
Lord Jesus.
James Robinson.
Robert.
Oh. That's why I want me to love Andrew because Portia didn't love Andrew.
I mean, James Robinson has the whole family of PNP still, you know.
As much as I see Portia, she love Andrew.
But
Yeah,
because
she
Andrew
love
was her son. She didn't know when she Andrew followed and she said
But
Andrew.
you know, Andrew, TVJ have a documentary they put together. You know, Andrew always endorse it and set it up for her. Like endorsement. They like a documentary thing, but I like a little thing, you know. Or she, I want to say, as a little clippings or some things. Andrew, I like attack to. And him and die. Some people, they don't do nothing for her.
That's why Wilmington
When
have
we
Andrew
send
back.
Portia
So
go up, when we send Monica, when we
Never
send
like
Sister
Portia, the
P,
one when you
correct Monica, when we send Sister P to China or wherever we send her to go represent the country when she win the election in 2012. 2013 election done long time. Portia was the prime minister for the country. It wasn't about that. You see, when telling about the PNP, no, that's all. Then never take off the orange, whether they're in a government or not.
No, you know, some
Country.
Munchie. When the people that understand now, I know if I win it, even some liberal that understand. The same time the election done, the politics supposed to stop there, so you know.
That only PNP don't do that. So
I was the prime minister for the whole country now. If you put him yes or no, no. The after the swearing, the politics supposed to done right here. So
supposed to done it is about country.
Country, yeah.
Portia go represent with the people them. Don't have to represent the country, you know, Chromas. Portia have on her nice skirt suit and her bank crew in her face, and she have her briefcase and her team, and Portia gone to China. We go negotiate a little deal where Bruce did put in place before he lose, and Portia go finish it off. Portia go talk about that. Out of the blue moon, Portia say during the election, and you know, and when we went to the election, and when the results came out, I whipped the little fellow. And when I finished, I called him and I said, "Come here, my son.
I want to, you know,
Let me give you a hug."
I just go by international scenes with the friends still, you know.
Mr. Chromas, me shame like that. Me shame like that. Chromas, when me watch the video.
Man, Portia was embarrassing, man. She was.
Munchie,
Anyway, Maestro.
I can't Jamaica me come from.
Yeah, give Maestro a talk, don't come to your box. Maestro, what you say?
I'll go and Chromas, but there, man.
Maestro, Candice should never hear when Portia embarrassed the country.
I'm going to school now. He's up on Mama P.
Yeah, man. That's what we talk about Mama P. Because we talk about Prime Minister in India, or I represent the country.
I think what Classic did tonight is a very good thing. I think it needs to get more MP and the live, make them talk.
No,
and
Classic has them thing they do, you know. I think that.
In the constituency, because how would you know that he's being sabotaged in the constituency unless him talk about it? Because at that one point him say there's a lot of sabotage. Because when him carry donate some chairs, I think him say some things to some school, and they want him to take it back and lock down the school and whatever.
No, him said, I think he said that the PNP send the KSSC to come lock down the school and take with the chair them from the lady. So he must be stand up for
something like that. And I think him said it was
the lady never have the permission to open our school.
Me no know.
So that is why PNP can't send the Portmore municipality can turn on the woman's school. It's all PNP play dirty and play nasty. And we put
nasty
the thing back them and say,
Pastor man disgrace them in a church. Pastor disgrace them in a church. People's nasty party, they're nasty.
Me not cut you. Me hear one day me a pass for them. Because me not go on the live because them get me cross. I mean, I just a pass to TikTok and me see one woman say how much Angela in the church and the pastor them couldn't make no money. All them something outside.
So the man did
COVID time she talk about.
Yeah.
They would have to lock down, brother. Anyway, get rid of it after lock down.
That's all the church them a worry about Chromas. Then I say Angela on the church and they don't get for win no soul for the kingdom. You know them a worry about?
Get her in, all over the world, and not just Jamaica. All over the world, the church people couldn't go church. It's all about the crowd and gathering, you know. It's not the same way lock down church, but it's a gathering. I'm prevent that. You know what I have to spread it.
The same buzz.
Anyway, Maestro, what could you Maestro say now? Give me that one thought, no man. What could you say?
But Peter Chambers, a false prophet.
Most of them are false prophet.
Every time we don't comment and call him false prophet.
People don't mute and make Maestro say a thing there.
No man, me I do no man because most of the point they will not make I will observe myself, man. And, you know.
Okay. So, all right. They're ready. And they're ready, Maestro. You're tripping.
Yeah, man.